So with the first example, we started with C and E, or root and thirds, following the major minor pattern or whole half pattern. There's lots of ways to look at it, hopefully not just a shape. But so we were doing that on the first two strings. That's kind of an incomplete chord. It's meant to be that way because we'd probably be soloing. If we were doing intervals of thirds, we'd be incorporating that into a solo or a melody, something like that. But we don't want to be stuck with that, only that option. And so we want to keep the root of the chord, imagine that. But in this case, we're going to invert the third. And so we're going to take what's on top and put it on bottom. And that E, or third, when we start with the one chord, C being the root here, is down here. If you think of your C chord, there's your third right there, or your third up here. But we want to be able to do it more than one place, but it also creates a different interval. I don't want to get too far into theory. I just want to get the concept of taking the top note, putting it on bottom down first. And so we want to be able to do that exercise as well. I'm just picking C. You want to do all of these in any key you're going to play in. So you're not going to probably play in G flat or a lot of A flat. There's enharmonic notes for that, but point being, one, learn in every key if you want. Some people just aren't that ambitious, and so at least pick some other keys that you play in, probably G or A, those kinds of things, and you're going to have to find G and A on the second string. But anywho, so inverting or putting that top note on bottom, we end up playing that as compared to that. We could throw the fifth in the middle, but we're not going to do that yet. We want to stick to root and third. But now we're third on the bottom, root on top. And so that third is major, so now I know that. So when I go to the two chord, rather than that third being up here, it's going to be down a half step. Or what I would have played like this, I take that F and move it down. Or you can go to your cage system and think of the C chord, and there's the third of the two chords. But I'll have to find out what works for you and doesn't work, so feel free to give me feedback on that. But otherwise, we've got the one chord, two chord, three chord, four chord, five chord, six chord, seven chord, one chord, and that being a different sound than this, and a different interval. Whoops. Just taking this note, putting it down here. So if I didn't confuse you, give that a try, see if it works. Let me know what questions you have.